All right, I wanted to take this one out and show it because this might be the last chance that we get to ever see a helmet like this. These are actually being discontinued. So these are the budget bump helmets that you can get with the shroud up here molded in. And once again, these military, this is the one that you're probably going to get. It's the closest thing to a budget that I would call for the OBSCOR bump helmets, outside of the carbon. Most units have already approved these and gone through the approval process to get these all set up. And they're just a quality helmet. The fear with these was always that this would break, and so they kind of just became the less popular helmet. But if you've ever wanted one, they're going to be getting discontinued. Now is the time to get these. As far as we've seen on our side, these shrouds don't have a breaking issue. You know, someone else's experience might be different, but as far as what we've seen, they've never come back with a broken shroud or anything else like that. I think it's just those paranoia that some people have. It's the way it is, but last chance. Get them while they're hot.